Hello, my people. Yeah, we're back again. Bini Edo TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you watch us from. Well, our personal person, Prophet Atiti, say in get message for our European women and Lolo Anu. So make I leave una make una hear from Prophet Atiti.
Nigeria, but this person is talking to our friend in Liberia. So let's contact our friend right away. They log out of the video. David, when you call me, the reason why we abruptly cancel our life, that was the reason. So they try to explain. You call the girl said no. That's this individual friend over there, and that's my boyfriend, older brother over there, and what happened is that he told me about this scam thing. That a lot of people, he always go on his show and talk about it. But he's not a Nigerian, he's Liberian, and he's married. So the girl came in my inbox. She said, "Can I talk to you?" I said, "Sure." She called me, I called her. She's like, "Are you going to be confidential about it because my face is in it?" The guy did a video, ain't no like a love collage. What can be passing with a Nigerian song, a love Nigerian song playing for the both of them, and she telling him that how much she loves him and all of that. So she said, "Thank you so much for doing this." So I said, "But how long you guys been talking?" And she told me for the last 6 months they've been talking. Can you imagine that? But one side that I left out of the story, little, and that's one of the key points that I want to allude to. Most of the ladies, I want them to come on the show. All of them who's talking about being victimized. If they have ever had a daytime conversation with this face, having this normal conversation, and everything is shaking, they will never tell you that. None of them going to tell you that. They would never have, because what's happening is that it's like the way you came on right now. When you call them, they're not going to answer you on your timeline. They will answer you on their timeline because they got to prepare themselves and come. So the video will be static, and the voice in the back is talking to you. So I dare any one of them that will come up and say, "Oh yeah, I talked to him and he was moving around, he was doing this." The video I heard you talk about right now, what I was doing, the Kiki, my kids were the one recording me. I just got up the gym. They were in the garage dancing. So I said I can dance by every one of you. So the video of the Sunday is like you gotta park the car and jump down from the car and be dancing. So I jumped down out of my truck and that's how I was dancing. So another lady sent me that same video and said, "Isn't this you who's doing this?" I'm like, "Yeah."
Even when you were doing gym and then you were playing gospel song, all of
absolutely,
that.
yeah.
He said that to me. That look at him. He said this to me.
And you know, and you see, Lolo, you never delve on that. That's one thing I just wanted to bring to your attention. Ask every one of them who have sent you every video. Ask them if they have had a normal conversation with them.
Okay. I will.
Ask any one of them.
I will.
If any one of them under this live, I want them to say they have had a normal, like the way I came on your live, right now, and
you're in your car. You
right.
Show me something.
And I took off my driver license.
Yeah.
I show it to you because I'm about to travel right now, right? And you know what? And I think you do it in Europe. You take your suitcase to the airport and you try to make sure that you inspect.
You check it in.
Yeah. So you see over here, I just keep doing that. So that's why I'm driving back home now. Okay. So if anybody want to say that, "Oh, this guy, he calls me on video," yeah, he's going to call you on video. But how stupid they can be that you see somebody is calling you and the person is talking, the mouth not shaking, he's not saying nothing to you, and you still there and believing you're talking to a man. So every one of them who have come in my inbox, this is how they believe what I'm saying. When they come, some of them going to cuss, some of them going to say derogatory remarks and all of that. When they're done, I understand it. I will just be quiet. Soon they get done, I say, "Okay, man, can we just talk? How you want me to believe you?" I say, "Okay, I'm not here to justify to you, but just give me your ears."
I'm going to play my Liberian Brothers song for you. I'm not here to justify.
I'm not here to justify yet. Oh, sure, you know what I'm saying? I'm not here to justify. You can make this
He's not here to justify. He's not here to convince you.
No, I'm not here to convince you. Don't listen, you know what I'm saying?
There you go.
I love this. So yeah, so I told him like I told the lady, I told someone then who how do I clarify with them is that I said to them when they're done using all of the derogatory comments and all of that, I try to call them. One of the key way that I get to them is I tell them, somebody say I don't believe him. You're not going to believe me. I'm not worried about it.
No, so, don't worry yourself about that.
So some of the ways that I try to that conveys them, but actually clarify things to them is that I say, when they call you, do they actually do video? Mm-hmm. She said, yeah. I said, does the video shake like the way I'm shaking right now and talking to you? And he said, no. The video can just come. Today is different picture, tomorrow is different picture. I said, yeah, because they got all of my pictures. How they got it? I said, because they went on my page and they got it. In daylight. Daylight. Have they called you? No, they say they're always working now. So I said, you see that? They play the catchy. I said, somebody can be working the rest of their life and you want a relationship. You want a relationship, somebody. Yeah, you want a relationship and somebody is working the 24 hours of their life. You got no daytime to talk to them. So what's the essence? All right. So it means the end of the day is that the girls don't even have. What kind of word should I use? Just the common sense. Once you don't have a goal, you're vulnerable to society. You know that. That's just the common term to psychology. If you don't have a goal, you're very, very vulnerable to society. And that's what happens to the girls. The girls are vulnerable because why? They don't have a goal.
No,
what they try to do is that they see a nice guy that come after them and they think that that's how you got a goal for a guy, but you don't have a goal for yourself. You gotta have a self-esteem.
They don't.
So these are
that's what
things.
I said just now. That
yeah.
it's a big problem when a woman don't have self-esteem. When you don't have confidence in yourself, you are looking for someone's approval to love you, to make you feel like a human. It's difficult, you know. Some
Absolutely,
people are just coming in the video. They are asking, "What's the guy's name?" I'm sorry, you just coming in.
My name is Nestor Sani.
Yes.
My name is Nestor Sani, and I'm from Liberia.
Okay.
Yeah. And I live in the United States of America. Specifically, I'm in North Dakota.
Right. So for those of you who are asking his name,
I am not in Nigeria as it been pursued. I am in Nigeria. I got no affiliation with Nigeria. I'm not a Nigeria descent.
Una good evening, my people. Una welcome. I see say I did go for that live video. I see Lolo they interview this guy. This guy they speak big Oyibo. You know, say Oyibo too good to deceive people. Oyibo too good to deceive people. Mostly our Edo people. Mostly our Edo people. Oyibo is too good to deceive them. I pick out a point here, and they see they on life. Now Lolo see they on life. I pick out a point where the boy measure the point almost 5 times. He say me they ask all those women whether person where they talk to them, whether they see them. They say they come with different picture. Woman wey do say do travel art. Woman say do gallant. Woman wey say do bath. Woman wey say do use organic cream. Those the one we not use organic cream. He say many people don't they call him. Many people don't fall in victory for this boy. Many people don't fall in victory for this boy. Many people don't they call this guy say, you go they ask they say, whether this same boy when they talk to them, they say a different picture they come. Okay, our women now want to tell us say they don't know say. So what are you talking? LOJ. Hello, Jay. What are you? Oh, I see. In real life. Damio. Amen. Ebony ya deceive man. Me aha me we new generation. A guy now we be out working. Okay, a question in me hui mai. A question in me hui mai. When you have feel say. Davio, a pishoge okay. Since omade pishoge nia. Omade pishoge Davio. Omade pishoge nia eh. Abi kuna nia nia flood na ya fefe ya wuya go agben. Ya wuya go ati. Eh? Ya witi ya gallant. Il donne les earphones là. Il donne les earphones là. Mujane ni tebe kwa mawena na eh sis when ya agwa otani eno or you may only live video me eh you this life will dey so this life will dey so you want to say our women now as they say the gallantries after years for Europe they don't know picture for face they go they talk to man for more than 6 months they never see the man for video call. Okay, Davio. When he as he come be so, say that this man come and come prove himself not be him. So question when we they ask our women now. Our women don't say they don't know so lot like that. They don't know fake picture again. They don't know fake thing again. Wait. Davio. We are but we are a picture of me like a profile. Or when you make go for more than 3 weeks, 3 months. A picture, my voice call my. Then, that woman cannot ask, please, I want to see your face. Okay, you want to tell me say women now before you go open body for one man. Before you want to open body for one man, now video call and they talk. You never see once. So you can't open toto for the man. Make the romantic for phone. Listen. We don't agree. Say no be the man don't come and say no be him. No question when me they ask our women now. Question when me they ask our women now. Man go send you friend requests. Una go dey chant every day for 3 months. You never see the. As me be so, illiterate when I be so today. He person call me first time, second time, the third time they put up a video call. If you not pick me, not call me again. So I say now that WhatsApp, I dey tell you, I want to make my elect now. All those women. So I say now WhatsApp when they don't do something, they see body for video call. If man call you once, call you second time, the third time a video call you put on, then you know the person who they talk to. Person call they play on our money. Una can't care for man. Una can't care for man. Listen, they can't care for man. Before they care for man, they never see the man. See now the picture, the way they see. It's a shame. It's a shame. This one not be say 419. I cannot know to say this word to our most of our women. Woman the way they sent you for WhatsApp for 3 weeks, you never know a house. No, for 3 weeks, you never see him. You they give your family, you they give your family your number. Okay, Davio, you say the woman, you say the man they for Swiss. This man now they causing it for America. You give person before you give person will write you for Facebook now. You can't get your WhatsApp number. You get a WhatsApp number because you know if you call now, he can't they call you. This is shame. Say many women don't. This man say many women don't call him. Many women don't call him. They tell and say our women they see the way our women they fall in victory. But if na me attitude they call una just now, if na me with attitude they call una just now, una want record me una go put for social media. If na me attitude call you just now, say hello, how are you? Tomorrow morning you go to wait for my call when I tell record me go put for social media. She. My neck the cut. Mona press just my neck disease. Mona look at whether my neck disease. So now be the thing. So una don't see and say the man don't come out now. The man don't come say no be him. He say he no know one, he no know two. He say many people don't call him. Many people don't call him for this matter. Una wey be women now. Man give una. He write una for man write una. He dey put different pictures they show una. Una no know a house. Una before na give am phone number na go dey introduce am to una family. Una so na gallant. If na me illiterate call una just now. Prophet Atiti call una. Now go dey find where una go dey call una mate. Una go dey record am. When I want to show to the world, Atiti call me, Atiti they toast me, Atiti call me, Atiti they talk to me, mo can't disgrace am. Man they take camera call, they call una for more than 3 weeks. For more than 3 weeks. Man they take, if as me be so, person call me 3 times. Hello. Hello, G. Wait, then wait. Hello. Then wait. Wait, go ye. Davio, let's come away. A man is going ban, a man is do akbe mana. A man when we are Davio, I can never be confused. Imi adek be adam e video lolo ni. But even eltani man in knowing, no or you mean la live video. The question the man asked make me to come to live video. So can you imagine? He said, person they talk to more than 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You don't different picture come. No. Before woman, listen. Una be woman. All of us are wise. All of us are wise. More will listen to the man video. Tomorrow we'll come play. I don't want to distract lot of video. Tomorrow I'll come play the video again. I go to pause on. I go to give una points. Me na any trait when you graduate. Listen, me na any trait when you graduate to. Many presenter where go school now, where I want to say go school. Me they set their live video, me they go watch that man now. So you should before the man they ask question. Hush. So women, if na me Prophet Atiti can't toast una now go record me una wan couple for social media. Una wan go give them the complaint. So una so na gallant. Oh, listen, madam, listen. Tomorrow, the man they make points. We make me run enter live video. Tomorrow, me they come. Me will come analyze the Oyibo when he speak. Any one of Oyibo when he speak, I'll analyze that to 10 for now. This kind problem, now me they get power. No, that woman wait there for Italy now. I want me to bring that woman over for me. The woman go the listing. Make they listen to the voice if I analyze the voice. If difference, therefore, the difference of this man voice with this The woman voice when they hear, that woman, the voice when they hear for so many months, a difference they go tell me instantly. It's, if I put the woman for line, listen, if I put the woman for line, I go to play this voice. If change is there for the voice, the woman I go tell me say change is there. You understand me? Sister Ayati will later more. So the question when if I just now make me come and ask una now. Una will be our sisters, our mother. Man call you first time for messenger. He say you friend request for messenger. You can't give a phone number for WhatsApp. He can't call you every day for more than 3 weeks. You don't not tell me say now love. Say you call you for 3 days, you don't start to naked for her. No, you don't fit tell me say now love. We have to be sincere. Talk to say anytime when he call you different picture for this civilized world who we see there, our sister, our mama. Different picture now they show. Person wey dey talk to you before you open body for person wey dey talk to you, you don't know, you say you don't love. See the way the man defend himself. He want talk one word for himself, they say he apologize to all the old women wey don't fall in victory. Now that catch am. Now that catch am. Not be him go say apologize, not be him. I dey come for that video again, come analyze am. One no disturb Lolo video. Once Lolo they finish just now, I dey come online. Because if I dey do one here now, I dey list it for here now because Lolo na interview am. If I dey do one here now, Lolo dey no, e not good. After Lolo don't do one finish tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening, I'll come out again, come play the video for now. If una way go school, Oyibo dey deceive una. Person like me, Oyibo can never deceive me. These people when they do this 419, they get different number to operate. It's be like some people now will go get Germany line. You go get Germany number, you go get Italy number, you go get France number, some presenter they get on. Now so these people be. No, now so these people be. I can buy SIM card and I'll buy and go give person for London, go to use them. Abuna no know. Please, make una not vex say na short video now. I'll go listen to that conversation of the man when they see him as they talk for life. So I'll go watch him again. Tomorrow I'll come replay that video. Una do well. Later we'll see.
Yeah, my country people, I hope una don hear from Prophet TT concerning our women when they talk to boys for social media, when they never see their face, when they never know the place when they stay for Nigeria or abroad, when they give their number heart. So this one go bring so many wisdom for many people. So Mona could not forget to share this video. If you never subscribe to Benin Edo TV, make una do so. A subscription is free, and also click the notification bell in case when we upload, you will be the first to be notified. Thanks for watching.